The Korky Strongarm 6071 uses high-strength engineered plastic in its components to resist breakage while remaining lightweight. The product uses glass-filled nylon and similar reinforced polymers that offer high tensile strength and good fatigue resistance compared with ordinary plastics. Its spring-loaded actuator reduces peak stress on plastic parts by distributing load over a longer motion, so the component sees fewer sharp force spikes during normal use. Install with moderate hand force and stop when parts seat. Because over-tightening fasteners concentrates load and can lead to crack initiation in the housing or mounting lugs. Keep the mechanism clean of hard sediment and mineral buildup by flushing with warm water and a mild detergent. Then operate the flush several times to clear residue, since abrasive particles accelerate wear on sliding faces. Inspect for hairline cracks or excessive play every 6 months in heavy-use installations and replace only the damaged or significantly aged parts, because replacement components are inexpensive and straightforward to swap. Store spare parts in a cool, dry place away from ultraviolet exposure, as long-term sun exposure can embrittle many plastics even when they are formulated for toughness. 3 common concerns are cracking at mounting ears, wear of pivot bosses, and loss of spring preload from corrosion or fatigue. To address cracking, avoid over-tightening screws, and use the correct washer size to spread compression. If a mounting ear is already compromised, replace the housing before it fails completely. For pivot boss wear, remove abrasive buildup and apply a light silicone lubricant to reduce friction during operation. And if bosses become oval, replace the actuator to restore smooth movement. For spring-related loss of performance, check for corrosion or frame deformation. And if the actuator movement feels weak or intermittent, swap the internal spring or the entire assembly, because springs are inexpensive and restoring preload will return reliable operation. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare options for projects that may affect a flush valve or toilet actuator replacement, and we connect contractors with homeowners looking for specific repair work. We also host a discussion community where we share installation tips, part compatibility notes, and real user experiences to help both homeowners and tradespeople make better choices.